What if using AI had nothing to do with becoming techie at all? Hey, thanks for sticking with this series. Over the last 9 videos, we have covered everything from finding digital products after a health scare to creating your first product, getting your first sale, avoiding the biggest mistake, generating ideas, building without burning out, growing your audience, email, and pricing. Today, I want to talk about something that comes up constantly in the comments: AI. And I want to be honest with you right away. When I first started using AI tools, my reaction was a mix of curiosity and overwhelm. I was interested right away, but I also felt like, where do I even start? There were so many tools, so many prompts, so many people online making it sound incredibly complicated. It was easy to feel behind before I had even begun. I also wondered if I was too old or not technical enough to really use it properly. So if you have felt any of that, let me tell you what I figured out. AI is not about becoming techie. It is about getting help thinking through your next step. That is it. That is the whole reframe that changed everything for me. So before we get into it, have you ever avoided trying something because everyone around you made it sound way more complicated than it probably actually is? Drop that in the comments, because I think a lot of us have felt exactly that with AI. Let me tell you about the moment that actually shifted things for me. I was trying to turn a simple idea into a digital product. And at first, that idea was just messy in my head. I had thoughts, but I did not know how to organize them into something someone could actually use. So I used ChatGPT to help me break the idea down. I asked it to help me organize the sections, simplify the wording, and turn what felt like a big, overwhelming concept into a small, focused resource instead. And that was the moment everything clicked for me. AI was not doing the work for me, it was helping me think more clearly. It took something that felt overwhelming and helped me turn it into a simple next step. That is when I stopped seeing AI as some scary tech tool and started seeing it as a practical helper, something more like a thinking partner than a piece of complicated software. Now, let me walk you through the handful of tools I actually use day to day. Not 20 different platforms, just a few simple ones that genuinely help. The first is ChatGPT. This is the one I use the most by far. I use it for organizing ideas, writing scripts, brainstorming product ideas, simplifying my wording, creating YouTube descriptions, helping with emails, and turning rough thoughts into something I can actually use. If you only ever learn one AI tool, learn this one. It covers the most ground. The second is AI image tools. I use these for creating thumbnails, cover images, and visual concepts for my videos and products. You do not need design skills to use these. You just need to describe what you want in plain language. The third is avatar video tools like Jogai, which is what I actually use to create these videos. And I want to be honest with you about why, because this one matters to me more than any of the others. I use an AI avatar mainly because of my health. Some days, speaking clearly on camera is a real challenge for me. But the voice you are hearing right now is my actual voice. The words are mine, the story is mine. The avatar is simply what lets me keep showing up and sharing that voice with you, even on the days when sitting in front of a camera myself is not something I can do. So, this is not me hiding behind technology. If anything, it is the opposite. It is technology helping my actual voice and my actual connection with you stay consistent, even when my body is not always cooperating. I share that because I think it matters. AI is not just about saving time or looking professional. For some of us, it genuinely removes a barrier that would otherwise stop us from showing up at all. And the fourth tool, which honestly surprised me the most, is AI music tools. I have used these to create personalized songs just to test what was possible. It was one of the more unexpected and interesting things I have explored, and it showed me just how far this technology has come for everyday people, not just professionals. So that is my real toolkit. ChatGPT for thinking, writing, and structure. AI image tools for thumbnails and visuals. Avatar tools for video creation, and AI music tools. Just because it is genuinely fun to explore what is possible. Now, here is what I want you to take from this if you are still feeling overwhelmed by all of it. You do not need to learn every tool. You do not need to understand how any of this works behind the scenes. You just need to find the one small problem you are facing right now and ask AI to help you think through it. Stuck on an idea? Ask AI to help you organize your thoughts. Stuck on wording? Ask AI to help you simplify what you are trying to say. Stuck on a description or a title? Ask AI to give you a few options to choose from. You are not handing over control. You are getting a thinking partner that helps you move from stuck to started. And here is something else I want to say directly to anyone in their 50s who feels like AI is for younger, more tech-savvy people. It is not. I am proof of that. I did not grow up with this technology. I had to learn it the same way you would, by trying it, getting a little confused, and slowly figuring out how it actually helps. The people who benefit most from AI right now are not necessarily the most technical people. They are the people who are willing to use it for one small thing at a time without needing to understand everything before they start. If I can use this after everything I went through, so can you. So here is your simple action step for today. Pick one thing you are currently stuck on. One idea that feels messy. One piece of writing that feels hard to put into words. And just ask AI to help you think it through. Do not try to learn everything at once. Just solve the one thing in front of you. And if you want a simple starting point, I put together a prompt cheat sheet with the kinds of prompts I actually use day to day. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Next video, I want to talk about something that ties a lot of this together, how to actually stay organized as you build multiple products and pieces of content without needing a complicated system to manage it all. If this video helped you today, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. Until next time.